Hello, hello. Dr. Hill here, back again. Another video, big week, dental assistant week, appreciation week, whatever it is. But I brought along the greatest assistant there is, the lovely Julie. Julie, say hello.
Hi.
So the reason why she is here with me is because she pretty much tells me what to do in life, how to run the office, what to do on patients. It's just the way it is, and any dentist that's out there knows that's just the fact. So she pretty much knows my schedule way better than I do, correct?
Yeah. Correct.
So what are we going to do today? Dental assistant here, dental assistant week. We're going to do dental assistant memes. We're going to take a peek at them together, Julie and myself. Obviously, we haven't seen it.
No.
No idea what's coming ahead. I have no clue what's going to happen. I will tell you, I'm just a little bit nervous because Julie knows me too well. So I have a feeling, I'm going to get dogged a little bit today. But you know what? That's what makes it fun. All right, let's do some memes. You ready?
I'm ready.
All right, so we're going to read them. We're going to look at them together. And then we're going to kind of react, do that thing. You know how it is. Let's do it. The closest I get to a spa day is when the steam from the autoclave smacks me in the face. I mean, you could probably attest to this more than me.
I mean, that is exactly correct.
Yeah, it is. It is kind of like that opens. It is kind of like an oven.
It is.
And then it makes that scary sound.
It does.
Kind of scares the shit out of people.
You jump every time.
Correct. But that's also why I don't go into sterile much because of that. But I do need a spa day. You like spa days.
I do like spa days.
Yeah. I mean, most of the team likes spa days, but I'm sure this is not really the spa you're looking for.
No, not quite.
Although, obviously, it's pretty clean.
It is.
It'd be nice
it
and
is.
sterile when you get your face all steamed up, right?
Correct.
Probably better than going to the spa. Maybe this is the new invention.
Not quite.
No. Well, I tried. Screw it. I don't know. I've never had one of those things or a steamed spa day or whatever that is.
We'll look at it this week.
Yeah, we'll get some things going. It's dental assistant week. It was just National Dentist Day. So kudos to all dentists out there that are still surviving and to our assistants that put up with our shit 24/7 every single day we're working. All right, let's roll. When I'm running behind and a doctor asks for a PA. Yeah, I mean, usually we're running behind, not so much because of you guys though.
Because of you like to talk.
I do like to talk. And anybody that's seen any of these videos knows I like to talk. But let's be fair. We kind of have a set thing like this is what we're going to do, this is what we're going to do, and we go on about it.
Sure.
But I do run us over quite a bit.
Yes, you do.
And then you have to deal with the patients.
Correct.
Yeah. And then I kind of come in, do my little spiel, and they're like, oh, yeah, it's all good. But then that's after they already yelled at Julie.
Correct.
Yeah, so it works out really great, guys. Love it. Find you a good assistant. It just does wonders for you. All right. But yeah, she's not wrong. I'm usually the one that makes us late and usually the one that screws everything up on the schedule, which then usually the front office gives you shit.
Correct.
But in reality, I think everybody in the office knows it's
your fault.
Yeah. Well, welcome to it. It is what it is. Been wrong according to women since day one of my life. Shout out to my mom. But now, 33 years later, I'm still wrong.
You're still wrong.
Yeah. Cool. Well, there you go. Sometimes my doc should stop collaborating. Listen, we might be done with the procedure sooner. Great song, Vanilla Ice. What it do? Yeah, I mean, this one, I'm not good at listening.
No, you're not at all.
I'm a better talker. Yeah.
100%.
Yeah. Well, some people like to be listened to. Mm-hmm. Other people like to talk. Mm-hmm. I'm more of a talker. Mm-hmm. You're more of you do a little bit of both. You're a good 50-50.
Both, yes.
Yeah, you're a good 50-50. But you do a lot of listening to me bullshitting.
Ramble.
Ramble facts and knowledge that needs to be basically said, learned, and repeated.
Okay.
I'm not feeling that, are we?
No.
Yeah, I know that's not true. I bullshit a lot, and I think she knows that. But it is what it is. I'm about to do that haircut though. I mean, that'd be pretty nice.
Yeah.
Bring back the style.
You can rock it.
What about the American flag jacket? Leather, it looks like.
Yeah.
Is that leather?
I think you need that.
Yeah, we can look that up. We can see what we can do. But basically on timing wise, yeah, I've already stated it. It's my fault.
It is.
Yeah. They're in there. They know I just like to talk and hang out and have a good time.
Correct.
Sometimes I will forget that we're doing dentistry.
Yes.
I've walked out of the rooms many times after talking to a patient for about 5 or 10 minutes, and Julie...
And you never looked in their mouth.
Correct. And literally Julie has to ring me back in and say, you're doing a job. The patients come to see you for actual dental stuff, not to talk.
For teeth.
Yeah. Ooh, Family Guy. Dental assistants. You guys always act like you're better than me, office manager. Oh, man. Right. This one's kind of funny. I don't know how many people... Do you watch Family Guy?
I do.
So obviously Megan, the girl in Family Guy, is always getting ragged on. Everybody treats her like shit pretty much. She's never really like, the star or anything like that. She just always gets like basically talked down to.
She does.
And I'm gonna I'm gonna let Julie kind of talk a little bit more about this, but I'm gonna tell you, I don't think I treat you bad.
No, not at all.
But I can see the office managers maybe having.
Yeah, they do.
They deal with the money, so they kind of feel like they got a little upper hand than little extra pull than the clinical side, mostly because they know if the money's wrong, I'm gonna yell at them, and then it just becomes a big cycle.
Correct.
But what do you I don't think hygienists.
No. Hygienists and assistants are on the same team.
Yeah, I feel like it's always a clinical side. It does sometimes, even though we love our front staff very much.
Yes.
But it does sometimes become a front versus clinical.
Back.
Yeah. Versus clinical kind of a battle. And honestly, for me, it's kind of funny.
Because you're...
Correct.
You see all of it.
Correct. So I get to see both sides and then just like see how it's... And any time that we really need to step in and do something, we will. But like it is kind of funny when you hear the front bitching about the clinical, but then clinical
bitching about the front. Yeah.
Yeah.
It happens.
So it does. And then I obviously work in an office full of females.
No.
Yeah. Which I love, by the way. Clearly, everybody that knows me knows that. But it's also even more funny because there's some hidden drama / words that are
No,
said.
never.
The hell there isn't. Trust me, I get to hear it all day. But it does make the days go by better, and it does make it funny. Because sometimes clinical's right, sometimes the front.
Yeah.
But I feel like in our office, I think we're sometimes we're kind of blessed to have a good setup both ways.
Absolutely.
But yeah, I would feel bad. If you felt like that.
No, I don't feel like that.
Well, that's good. I'll take that. That's a positive. This one says bathroom break, ain't no dental assistant. Got time for that. Julie, you can talk about it.
You are waiting outside the door for us.
Yeah, there's times when it's kind of that way. So, I am guilty. I don't realize how much they truly have to do at times. I do, but in the hustle of the day, I do kind of take advantage of it. I would say sometimes like, why are we not doing this yet? In reality, you're like, well, I haven't peed since 8 a.m. and it's 4:30. So I kind of...
Or I needed to drink water.
Water's important.
It is.
But there is like 18 hours a day that you're not in the office. You can just drink your water.
Okay.
And like strict. Not really. I'm like the least low-key person to work with, I guess.
Yes.
I just don't... you hear the stories about dentists throwing stuff and...
Yeah, that's not you.
Yelling and cussing at their assistants. I do sometimes...
Behind the scenes.
Behind the scenes enjoy my I'd like to pass on knowledge that's a little bit sturdier and strong toned, I would say.
That's a good way to put it. Strong toned.
I've yelled at him. I don't know what to tell you. Not much though.
No, not much.
Yeah, not much. But I do have to give everybody in the dental world credit. I know at our office we probably take a little bit of an advantage of this, of you not really getting a bathroom break.
You have your days.
It's good days though for everybody, right? It's a job. It's what we got to do. So, but you know what? Obviously I'm thankful for what they do, and hopefully you get to drink some water at some point. The food I feel like is the bigger deal, right?
Yes, correct.
Because every time as soon as you heat something up, what happens?
Hey, I need you in room 9.
Yeah, that's usually, and I do feel bad about that truly, because then I'm like,
every once in a while you say, take a bite and then meet me in room 9.
Yeah, I give them a bite. that's pretty damn good.
Yeah.
You at least get
better than nothing.
Correct. But yeah, I do kind of feel bad. It actually just happened last week.
Yeah, it did.
Yeah. She's like, well, I just heated up my food. And then there's other people sitting in the break room, remember? And they were like, well, Julie, don't you want to eat? And I was like, no, Julie, we got to go.
You said I could have one bite. So
yeah, one bite.
That's nice of you.
Everybody knows the rules.
That is you.
Yes. This says, try not to stare at the curing light, or try not to stare at the curing light and then they're showing the picture of it. Julie and I have had this conversation 100 times. The one thing that they tell you, probably in assisting school, but I know in dental school that we got told all the time, is do not look at the light. Do not look at the light. What that light does is it hardens the cements, hardens the fillings. We use it for all sorts of stuff. And they always tell you, don't look at the light, because there's all those pictures. I don't know if you got shown those in assisting school, but there's all those pictures and they show like the eyeball before and then an eyeball of a dentist like 40 years after. And it's like it's hell. It's gross. It's ugly. Gross. Like the retina and all, I don't know anything about eyeballs, but the retina and those old things, they look like crap. Yeah, exactly. Like shit. So Julie and I have said this a million times. All I tell them is one rule in dentistry, don't look at the damn light. So what's the only thing you ever do? Look at the damn light.
Yeah.
But it's hard not to, because you got to find out where's the light going. Like it doesn't
That's
light
true.
the whole damn mouth. You
Gotta
got to
make
light
sure
it
you're on the right tooth.
Yes. So like on this picture, right, Julie, I think, who is that? Sandra Bullock, right? Isn't that who that is?
Maybe. Might be.
I can't tell. It's a little small picture on here. Hopefully you guys can see a little bit better. But it's Sandra Bullock, and she's got something tied around her
Headband.
face. Yeah.
It's a headband.
Maybe that's what we get you.
Or
You know?
you, because you look at it too.
Touche. I don't know how good I'd look in a headband. You know, like it'd kind of be weird. I already have to sometimes wear those like surgical caps. Maybe I'll just
Right.
pull one of those down.
Oh, that would work perfect.
Maybe that's what we do.
Perfect.
That way we don't have to worry about the orange light.
Yes.
And then potentially we get the thing.
You don't need to see. It's okay.
Yeah. Some days I feel like, you know, I would rather not see. You know, I don't know. Maybe it is that way. But yeah, we'll get you that. Maybe I'll get one of those too.
Perfect.
And then that way we don't have to worry about looking at the light.
Okay.
Probably
Mine be
won't.
pink.
Yeah, sure.
Perfect.
Yeah. You do like the pink.
I do.
Yeah. It's a good vibe. We wear all black. And so it's kind of nice. You got some good quotes. Jewel and I share a weird obsession with quotes.
Yeah.
Mostly
tennis
Nikes.
shoes.
Yeah. Mostly Nikes. But we share a weird obsession with that. Which at some point maybe we'll do a video of all the shoes. Because our squad's got some good quotes. And when I have them wear all black, that's really nice. All right, so dental assistant week. Very, very thankful for all of my assistants. Obviously, very, very thankful for Julie, who truly is. It's been about 4 years.
In May.
May and 4 years. Because once you find somebody good like that, you do have to basically do anything you can, which I try to do. I only give her shit like 7 of the 8 hours a day.
Yeah.
So she has 7. So she has 30 minutes a day to enjoy her time.
Well, I'm heading back. Drink water.
While you're doing one of those, so you can get a second to have a
Yes,
break.
yes.
I get it. I like it. I think it's a good thing. But I don't know where I'd be without it, so I'm very thankful and blessed for it. I hope you had a good time with you.
Absolutely.
You guys
I
have some
wouldn't
fun.
know what it was.
Oh, see, look at that. I paid her extra bonus. You know, to the chat can say that. She really doesn't feel right. But I'm very thankful for it, and I hope you at least had some fun coming on.
Absolutely.
I think the next one we'll do is going to be
Yeah.
clothes. Yeah, Julie and I, we got to talk. Yeah, we like to, you know, throw some ideas back.
Support each other's hobbies.
Yep, and it's a good habit.
Yeah,
Because
right.
it could be worse,
It could be worse.
but we do a pretty good job. So, Julie, I appreciate it.
Thanks.
Thank you for coming on, and I hope we'll do another one soon.
Absolutely.
Everybody that's been watching, appreciate it. Come down, like, subscribe, comment, see more of Julie. She's the best. Come see us. Again, she's the best. And I'll see you soon. Appreciate it.